Okay, this is going to be very short. I'm not going to do this part of the workout with you, but I will go over some teaching points with this so you're aware of it. So first one, we've done these in our warm-up, but just we're going to do a one-step vertical jump. We've done one-step broad jumps, but we're going to take keep walking back. We're going to take a big step and then jump and try to touch your ceiling, or if you're outside, reach to the sky. So it's going to be one big step, jump, land, and athletic stance. So it's step, arms back, jump, here. All right? And we'll do 8 of those, so 4 on each side. Our push-up, we're doing push-ups every day. So like when we're in school, or like we were in the building in school, we're trying to do 30 a day. We're going to keep that up, all right? Set that as a goal. So next is goblet squats. If your parents have dumbbells in the house, then we're going to use a dumbbell, and we're going to hold it under our chin and do squats that way, just regular shoulder back squats, okay? Bear crawl and tabletop, we've done these before also, and we're going to try to go about 10 meters up and back. And with these, we're going to do one exercise right after another, just like our warm-up, but afterwards maybe take a minute, 30-second break in between and try to go through pretty quickly so you get your heart rate up on those.